ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we will take up a new topic which would be traits of a native as per their signs or Rashi with respect to their physical appearance, mental tendencies, love and marriage, health, personality, weaknesses, finance, profession and domestic environment. We will do all this in a very simple and easy way which even a person who is not very much familiar with Vedic astrology would understand quite easily. Also friends, if you like my video, then at the end please do comment on it, share it, like it and subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start this interesting topic, astrology the easy way, taking up the next sign in the series which would be Gemini, the lord of which is Mercury and the favorable gemstone would be emerald. Now physical appearance. Gemini born persons are tall, upright, slender, quick, admirer of music, drawing and painting, and also they like to travel and inventions. The mental tendencies would be they are quick in grasping, learning and acquiring a good education, lovely and quick-witted, sometimes shy or retiring, humane, good disposition but nervous and restless. Now the love and marriage of Gemini are love and marriage. Gemini is a dual sign, so the native will feel that variety is the spice of life. They make quick friendship and find fault quickly and often lose them. So they cannot find a friend to their satisfaction even though they long for it. They cannot be understood easily, but romance for them is source of most happiness. Their affection is controlled by their mind than by emotions. They are flirts by nature. In case the partner of Geminian is equally intelligent, they will enjoy the married life. Otherwise, bickering and separation may follow. Now regarding the health, Geminians spoil their health through unnecessary and unavoidable worry and anxiety. So they should avoid mental strain, then their health will be normally good. By rest and good sleep, he can maintain his health. Gemini rules over lungs, shoulders and arms. Pulmonary affections, cold running of nose, influenza, bronchitis, TB are all the possible diseases which can afflict him. Now the personality traits of Geminian born are: no one can do better things successfully and gracefully than Geminians, but the weakness is they should have deliberate determination to do their work and stick to its completion. They lack concentration and quick decision. They are ambitious, aspiring, curious to know the results of their efforts immediately. Argumentative, engaged in two or more pursuits at a time. Fond of mental recreation, at times they are restless, anxious, mentally timid, indecisive and excitable. They love change and diversity in all spheres of their life. They are good advisors and can be relied on only in the case of emergency. They are very clever as they are progressive, energetic, inventive, mechanic and have retentive power. They refuse to bound by the rules. If Mercury is retrograde at birth, they will prefer to sidestep the truth and enjoy a good joke. They are subject to lot of changes in their lives. They enjoy the life to the maximum and suffer continuous misfortune under the influence of opposite sex, and disagreement with the father and family disputes arise. They also have troubles from progeny. Now the caution needed or weaknesses would be the Geminians lack in concentration and quick decision. They should not give themselves up to a petty strife. always hasty and anxious to know the results of their efforts then and there. They want only shortcuts, are able to carry out work adopting improved methods. Events will move faster in their life than others. They should give up curious traits and hastening others. The financial part would be there will be lot of changes in their life. They will enjoy the life with a good fortune and suffer continuous misfortune, experiencing both together. Family disputes and disagreement with father. They can find ways and new methods of earning and will have dual source of earning income in their life. But they are advised to be more economical as they have regular income. Now the profession would be Geminians have interest in varied jobs as they are active, alert and industrious. As they are intelligent, humorous and good speakers, they will eventually come before the public. So the best profession for them are broker, intelligent agents, businessmen, secretaries, efficient advocates. A good convincing power is one of their attributes and may lead them into journalism. They also like to travel from place to place and have varied profession and are successful as a traveling agents or job connected with it. Now in the domestic environment, Geminians feel delight in entertaining business partners, friends, relatives and customers. They are a bit extravagant, keen for keeping the home at a medium level. They often change their residence. Being Mercurian, they cannot remain idle mentally or physically. Generally, they are fair, quite hospitable and generally of adjusting nature. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911 351 351 or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।